Welcome to Tiny Tales. Let's learn together.
Hello, little explorers. Welcome to the zoo, a place full of amazing animals and wild fun. There's a place where every creature has a story to tell. Hello, everyone. I'm Leo the lion, the king of the jungle. I love to rest under trees and play with my cubs. Hello there, little explorers. I'm Fiona the fox, smart, quick, and sneaky. My fur is bright orange and my tail is fluffy. Hello everyone. Oh, I'm Tina the tiger. I'm strong, fast, and love to play in the grass. Do you know what color my fur is? Orange with black stripes? Hello, little friends! I'm Daisy the deer, gentle and graceful. I love walking quietly through the forest. Let's tiptoe softly like a deer. Hello, little ones. I'm Ella the elephant. I have a long trunk and big floppy ears. I love splashing water. Hi, kids. I'm George the gorilla, the gentle giant of the jungle. I love eating bananas and taking care of my family. Hello! Oh, there! I'm Leo the leopard, quick, quiet, and super fast. I have golden fur with black spots. Do you like my pattern? Let's sneak like a leopard. Hi, friends! I'm Gigi the giraffe. My neck is so long that I can eat leaves from tall trees. Stretch your neck high like me. Up, up, up. Hey there! I'm Ricky the rhino. Strong and tough with my big horn. Don't worry, I'm friendly. I love rolling in the mud to stay cool. Hee hee. I'm Milo the monkey. I love to climb trees and eat yummy bananas. Let's jump together like monkeys. Quack, quack. Hi, everyone. I'm Daisy the duck, ready for a splashy day. I love swimming in the pond with my duckling friends. See my orange beak? It helps me eat yummy bugs. Hello, little explorers. I'm Wally the wolf, the clever and friendly wolf from the forest. Don't worry, I'm not scary at all. Ni-hao! I'm Pico the panda. I love munching on bamboo. I live in cool green forests and like to nap after lunch. Let's pretend to eat bamboo. Hello, I'm Holly the hippo. I love swimming in the cool water all day. Even though I'm big, I can run fast. Splish splash. Let's all make a splash together. Hello, little friends. I'm Daisy the deer, gentle and graceful. I love walking quietly through the forest. Let's tiptoe softly like a deer. Hi there. I'm Zara the zebra, and I wear black and white stripes like pajamas. Do you like my stripes? Hi, I'm Ruby the rabbit. I love carrots and hopping around. Boing, boing, boing. Can you hop like me? Hi. Oh, friends, I'm Ollie the ostrich, the biggest bird in the world. I can't fly, but I can run super fast, faster than a car sometimes. Look at my long leg. G'day, mates. I'm Kira the kangaroo from Australia. Look, my baby Joey is in my pouch. Hop, hop, hop. Hello, my beautiful friends. I'm Polly the peacock. Look at my colorful feathers. Aren't they shiny and bright? When I dance, my feathers sparkle in the sun. Moo! Hello? I'm Kathy the cow. I give milk every day. I love eating grass and relaxing in the sunshine. Can you say moo with me? Squawk! Hello, I'm Polly the parrot. I can talk, sing, and repeat what you say. Squawk! You did great, Omo! Neigh! Hi, I'm Henry the horse. I love running across green fields. My mane flows in the wind when I gallop fast. Baba! Hi, everyone! I'm Sally the sheep. Soft and fluffy like a cloud. My wool keeps me warm and cozy. Snap, snap! I'm Charlie the crocodile from the river. I love to float in the water and smile with my big teeth. Let's chomp together. Snap, snap. Splash! I'm Sammy the shark, in the fastest fish in the sea. Don't worry, I'm a friendly shark. I love to swim and play. Can you swish your tail like a shark? Splash! Hi everyone, I'm Danny the dolphin. I'm smart, fast, and love jumping in the ocean waves. Let's make dolphin sounds together. Welcome to the insect world. Today, we'll meet some tiny friends who live in gardens. Let's explore together. Hello, I am a butterfly. My wings are colorful and bright. I love flying from flower to flower. Butterflies come in many colors. Can you say butterfly? Hello, we are ants. We work together and build big homes under the ground. Ants are very strong and smart. They never give up. Buzz, buzz. I'm a bee. I help flowers by carrying pollen. I also make yummy honey. Bees are very important for nature. They help plants grow. Hello, friends. I'm a caterpillar. Munch, munch, munch. I love eating tasty green leaves. Someday, I'll build a cozy cocoon and turn into a beautiful butterfly. Isn't that magical? Zoom! Zoom! I'm a dragonfly. I can fly super fast like a tiny helicopter. Watch me zip through the air. Whoosh! Can you flap your arms fast like me? Hi, kids. I'm a ladybug. I'm small, red, and I have black spots. Do you see my dots? Ladybugs are tiny protectors of plants. They love eating pests. Hi there! I'm a spider. I have 8 legs and I can spin beautiful webs, just like a trap made of silk. My web helps me catch food, and it's also my home. Isn't that clever? Buzz! Hello, kids. I'm a mosquito. I may be tiny, but I can fly fast and make this buzzing sound. Buzz! Buzz! Did you know? Some mosquitoes like to drink nectar from flowers, too, not just blood. Activate your power. Hit subscribe and join the Super Kid Squad. Hello, little ocean explorers. Welcome to the world of sea animals. Hi, and I'm Goldie. I love swimming around my coral home. Do you like the ocean too? Hello there, little friends. I'm Toby the turtle. I move slow, but I go far. Hi-yas, I'm Olivia. I have 8 arms. Great for hugs and dancing. Yippee! I'm Danny the dolphin. Let's jump and play in the waves together. Snap, snap. I'm Crabby. The crab. Don't worry. I only pinch my food, not friends. Whooshy! I'm Wally the whale. I'm the biggest in the sea, but very gentle. Hi, I'm Jellyfish. I light up the sea at night like a star. Hello? Hello? I'm Sandy, the seahorse. I love to twirl in the water. Hi, I'm Coco, the clownfish. I live in a cozy anemone, tickly and safe. Zoom! I'm Spike, the snakefish. I can wiggle and slide faster than anyone. Hi, I'm Sammy, the shark. And don't be scared. I'm a friendly shark who loves to swim fast. I'm Stella the starfish. I love resting on rocks and shining bright like a star. Hello, I'm Penny the prawn. I may be small, but I'm full of energy. Hey, I'm Inky the squid. I can squirt ink and draw ocean art. Arf, I'm Leo the sea lion. Watch me clap and spin. Shh. I'm Shelly the seashell. Listen closely. You'll hear the sea. Ah, waddle. I'm Poppy the penguin, and I love to swim and slide on ice. Activate your power. Hit subscribe and join the Super Kids Squad.
Hello, little explorers! Welcome to Snake World! Get ready to meet the slithery, cool snakes of our amazing planet! Salutations! Little friend! I'm the cobra, the king of the jungle snakes! Wow! Who's that? The viper! I like to stay quiet and calm until it's time to strike! Slide aside. Friends, it's me, Annie the anaconda, the biggest snake in the world. Wow, you're so long. Are you a giant snake? You bet. I'm the python. Strong, calm, and super gentle. Snakes are reptiles. They have no legs, but they can move very fast. They eat small animals and help keep nature balanced. What's that shaking sound? Hey, that's me! I'm the rattlesnake. Listen to my tail go rattle rattle. Oh wow! Look at those colors! You're like a rainbow snake! Hey, thank you. I'm the coral snake, bright and beautiful, but you better look carefully. Hi there! I'm Jilly the goddess snake. Don't worry, I'm totally harmless.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.